Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at some new clearance that I found over Walgreens. Some of this stuff is up to 90% off, and it is pretty amazing. How clearance works at Walgreens is in some markets, it might be the same as I'm showing you. And in other markets, this might be happening, in 2 weeks from now, 3 weeks from now, or it might happen tomorrow, or it might already be happening. So it's just one of those things that it's kind of like the luck of the draw. And I'm going to show you a lot of stuff that's recently cleared, and the stickers and a little bit of information on coupons and how to get some of this stuff for free. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video like this. And please give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, first item we're going to talk about is the Real Techniques. Some brushes for $4.99. There's a method to this madness, guys, where you can get it for very cheap or close to free. $1.99 for some of them as well. This little pack for $3.79. So stores with beauty counters, these have been popping up like crazy, along with some sponges for $1.49. Now, a couple weeks back, there were some digital coupons that you could load for the Real Technique products. Just to show you them right here, there is a $5 off a makeup brush set and then a $2 off a sponge. Now, how you'd get these two to work is you'd have to buy at least $5 of the brushes and then at least $2 of the sponges. So you're going to have to do some math with that, but you have to get to those price points for those coupons to work. And we have some beautiful Ardell lashes for $2.79. And there was a digital coupon that showed up last week for these lashes for $1.50 off. So pairing it with that, it's $1.29. Okay, so we have the Pampers Splashers, which is like a diaper that can go in the water, and it's 50% off at $4.99. Now, I did look through the digital coupons, and none of them encompass the Splashers. They are all, it's every other one except for this one. So you might want to use $5 of points, or if you have a register reward, if you need this, hey, why not? And they had all the different sizes at 50% off. So they're going to be starting to clear the summer stuff pretty quickly. Here's something kind of weird. See that dashing? That's part of the Christmas merchandise. And all of this stuff, you'd think it was 90% off, but it actually wasn't. It was exactly priced at these costs. And I just thought that was kind of strange, but hey, it's Walgreens. So this little key fob thing was $1.49. And the Christmas tags were also $1.49, because I thought, oh man, that'd be really great, for 14 cents, but not the case. It was $1.49, which was bizarre. And sometimes how clearance works is it'll be priced for a couple of weeks and then it'll jump back up to the full price. I've noticed that at Walgreens. It's just how it goes sometimes. Now, this makeup company, The Balm, these are, I guess, 50% off probably. It's a little lipstick kit for $14.50. That's still kind of expensive. And this is some sort of like makeup kit for $13. I did not open it up. I would recommend to look that the packaging isn't tattered before buying something like this on clearance, because sometimes when things end up in a clearance section, it's a free-for-all where people are always opening and sampling stuff. So just be careful that if it has a seal that it hasn't been, busted open. Okay, and now we have a little cell phone case for $3.24. That looks super cute, that company Sugarland. I'm not sure if that was from Easter or what. And then these little earbuds. I think this is by Skull Candy, so that used to be a really great company. $8.99. And then this was interesting. There are these little Maxell mini DVs for $3.99. I looked this up really quickly on eBay to see if it would be a good reselling item to grab, and they're reselling for $9.99. So the ROI on that is very tiny, so I'm just leaving it in the store. Okay, and now we have a British Stream, one of them for $4.99. So 2 gallons of water for $4.99. That's probably a good deal if you have that Stream item to filter your water. And now this Donna, this looks like an old style brush, so I'm not sure if that's from Christmas or not, but it's also $4.99. And then this was on clearance for the longest time at other stores, and it's on clearance here. And it's these little capsules with the pantyhose for 9 cents. So they were originally 99 cents and down to 9 cents, so that's some tremendous savings. We have some Airhead gum for 74 cents. Wouldn't it be nice if there was an IBOTTA rebate to go with that? Unfortunately, I couldn't find one, but some inexpensive gum. And then we have the Axe deodorant for $2.99. So the deodorant right next to the chewing gum. That's a perfect little match. Always check your Shopkick, or I think Shopkick might have a rebate for that one, so I might have been asleep at the wheel. This store was so crammed with people too that I was in and out. I was just in there for a couple of photos, and I did not want to be too close to anyone. Now we have some Easter Rice Krispies. It looks like Easter time. And there's even a coupon right there. And it's probably like get some free marshmallows with the purchase of this. And now we're going to look at some medication. We have some Aleve for $4.49. I know that as of Friday, a lot of stores, it went from 50% off to 90% off. So I was seeing some crazy numbers on Instagram. We have some fish oil tablets for $11.49. I mean, that's still kind of expensive, but you never know. Sometimes if you get a cashier to scan stuff for you, you might be surprised with the prices. We have these little vitamin bites for $4.99. I think it's supposed to be like chocolate. It looks like delicious chocolate right there. And then we have this first aid ointment for $5.64, organic. Perfect for $5.64. And some bed bug dust mite killers for $11.49. That stuff must be really expensive because that's not a very inexpensive price point for reduced cost. Okay, and now we have some odor defense. If you have very smelly feet, if you wear sandals all summer, sometimes that happens. And this guy is $7.79. And right next to him was the wonderful Robitussin for $3.99. And look, there's a quarter coupon on that. So sometimes in the clearance section, you can actually find items with coupons. So there you go, a little bit of savings right there. And this dry mouth melt for your mouth for $5.49. So I've never seen this company before, or a coat. So looks kind of interesting. And then there was also some Mucinex for $4.48. Always some sort of coupon in one of the inserts for this product. It's really good for, colds and that sort of stuff. And then moving along, guys, we have something for your kitties. $1.99 for this, powder that you put on your sofa so it doesn't smell like cats or dogs. And that Ryan stuff was it was still full price. I don't know why it was there. I think somebody was just hiding it in the store. Now, close to the summer stuff, a lot of this stuff was about 25% off. So, just different bath salts and fanciness. This thing was $7.49, but like a lot of summer themed stuff, all 25% off. So if you had your eye on some of this stuff, possibly in the next week or two, it'll drop even more to 50 or 75%. Wouldn't that be nice? Or even 90, but just a whole host of stuff to just pamper yourself in the summer months, like sprays and that sort of stuff. Just looks like knockoffs of Bath and Body Works. And this one that smells like probably tropical of some sort, but $7.49. So hey, a little bit of savings right there. Now these Thinsters, $1 off, not the greatest savings, but $2.49. Lots of cereal, like I was showing you about a week ago. There was still the same price at 50% off. And now we're going to talk about some Burt's Bees products. This is the clay mask, so 50% off at $1.79. Lots of the Burt's Bees line is on clearance. I'm not sure if they're changing the packaging or just eliminating stuff. And this guy is 50% off at $7.49. And just to note, Burt's Bees is actually owned by Clorox. So for a lot of you that think, oh, well, this is like, fantastic for the environment or just like, hippie stuff. Not the case. It's owned by Clorox. Look that up. This guy's at 50% off at $4.99. And then this BB cream, it's like some sort of foundation, 50% off at $7.79. Now, a lot of you might have loaded this maybe like a month ago or so. There was a 5 off of 2. And for some of these skincare items, it might attach. Definitely scan at the store. You might get some of this stuff really inexpensive. So back in the beauty aisle, we have some fashion tape for $2.29. So there's some tremendous savings there if you need to keep your clothes in place because you're off on a Hollywood evening. And then we have some Shea Moisture, and this guy is 50% off at $1.99. That stuff is made out of gold. Man, it's expensive. I can never get over that. And another Shea Moisture for $1.99, just to show you the tag a little closer. Okay, guys, now we're just going to look at some toys. Lots of these items, if you've had your eye on them, they are on a little bit of a clearance, but what will be the next round of clearance? Will that be $1.49 for this Warple? And then other toys at 50% off or 20% off. You know, if you have a lot of points on your store card because you hit beauty so hard and you need to get stuff for future birthdays or, you know, little Christmas gifts in the future, you know, this might be the way to do it. This looks really cool. It looks like a really cool donut, and then there's some sort of like plasticine or slime in there. So, I mean, I think I even want that. $8.79 is a little too much, but still not a bad little deal. And then for the little boys out there, there's some micro changers. So I'm not sure if that's like a little car or something like that, but $1.79. And now back into the lip care aisle, $3.19. So not the biggest savings, only 80 cents off, but maybe that will drop a little bit more. And that's by Blistex. And then a lot of the Walgreens medicine, heat wraps, all that stuff hit 90. At this store, it was only $3.39, but I didn't get the cashier to scan every single thing. So who knows? This guy's at 50% off at $8.99. It's definitely worth asking the cashier to scan stuff, because if something's at 90, I mean, that's definitely the time to buy it. And sometimes the tags don't get swapped out. And this is a little something to stop snoring, and it's 50% off or almost 50% off at $10.99. Kind of wonder about these sort of products. You know, for 20 bucks, will that make you stop snoring? And then we have this other thing. Is this also for snoring? Yeah. 50% off at $13.79. So either this stuff does not work, or, you know, they want everybody to stop snoring. And then some saline. This is 90% off for the little kiddos. That whole aisle with the medicine and stuff, a lot of the stuff was 90. I saw that at this one store. And then just to show you a closer thing of the tag. So yeah, to get a lot of this stuff at 90% off, I mean, that's definitely the way to do it. Even if you don't need this right now, if you have a little kid, maybe you'll need it in the future. And this one was some children's pain reliever at 90% off, down to 59 cents. And somebody had already bought it at the store, so I could not take a photo of the product. And then in the dollar spot section, lots of stuff was like about 30% off. So these little packets of sugar in the raw, 69 cents, originally $1. So a little bit of savings right there. This product also, a little bit of savings. You're saving 31 cents. Those are really, really good too. Those cup of noodles with the vegetables, the soy sauce flavor. This is one of my absolute favorites. So I did get a bunch of those. And then this top ramen, also very good. So anything with soy sauce, it's all being gone. So I don't know, are they getting rid of that in the line? But 31 cents of savings. I didn't buy any of these, but I bought the ones with the more vegetable because that's a favorite. So, hey, it is what it is. And then everything was 31-cent savings off of $1. We have these little potatoes. I should have bought a bunch of those. I think I will buy some more soon because my husband likes these instant potatoes. And then travel size, everything was 50% off, and they had a ton of travel. So I'm wondering if, because summer's winding down, this stuff isn't selling. Who knows? But they had everything out on clearance, and there was a ton of stuff. Little Tresemes, little herbal essences, little Olays, just like the greatest hits of everything. If this stuff was maybe 28 cents or like 19 cents, I might buy like all of them, use a bunch of points. But at this price point, I mean, I'm not rich, even at 50% off, but they had all of it, like a huge amount of it. So just wait and see how this plays out. Will it hit 90 quickly? Will it not? I have a friend in Ohio, and she posted a very similar photo over on Instagram. So, something to consider. And just to show you guys like a final shot of the table at clearance, like, wow, there was a lot of it. And I'm wondering, are they trying to get people who are traveling through the area to buy more of this stuff, or is it just not going to be sold anymore at this Walgreens? And then we have some antacid tablets for 99 cents. So that is exactly 50% off. And these little drinks, 41 cents. So they're 59 cents. So a little bit more savings for these little, you just throw it in some water and you have instant Sunkiss, but it was only certain flavors, so pineapple and strawberry. And then closing the video, we have some M&Ms at 50% off. These are the massive family bags. So some nice ones there too. So they had the Cacao, and then they also had the original. And if you are a baker, this might be something to stock up on, especially if you use this in baking or just favorite snack of yours. Always check the expiry date, because something this big, it might stay in your house for a really long time unless you eat it like every day. Okay guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.